question, just will make twist. How many 5-digit number possible if repetition is allowed? 5-digit numbers means how many? What are the possibility are there from where we can select the number? It will become 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Means total 10 option we have from where we can select the numbers. Then out of this 10, for first place we can't take 0. 0 not possible. Then 9 option only will be left out, means 1 to 9. Then here 9C1. Remaining you can take from 0 to 0, 1 to 9, means total 10 option. Here also 10, 10, 10. This is difference. If repetition is not allowed, then what will happen here? 9C1 here, again here 9C1. Then here whatever number will be selected, that will keep on decrease by 1, or you can say it will become consecutive selection. But here it will become a total selection always. 9C1 into 10C1, 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 10C1. It will become 9 into 10.